Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on harnessing the power of 10Web's AI Builder, the groundbreaking tool that's transforming the way we create and clone websites. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a business owner, or someone with no technical background at all, 10Web is designed to make the process of building a professional website as easy as possible. In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about using 10Web's AI Builder, from setting up your first site to cloning an existing one, all within minutes. 10Web is not just another website builder. It's an AI-powered platform that integrates seamlessly with WordPress, the most popular content management system in the world, powering over 43% of all websites. With 10Web, you don't need to worry about the complexities of coding or design. The AI Builder handles everything, allowing you to focus on what matters most: your content and your business. One of the most compelling features of 10Web is its ability to clone any website with just a URL. Imagine finding a site that perfectly fits your vision. Now with 10Web, you can replicate that site and make it your own, all without needing access to the original site's backend or database. This feature is particularly useful if you're dealing with situations where developers have gone MIA or when your hosting account is holding your site hostage. The AI Builder lets you bring your site to life on a new platform with minimal effort. Let's start by diving into the different plans 10Web offers. You can begin with a free trial to get a feel for the platform, but to unlock its full potential, you'll need to choose one of the paid plans: business, e-commerce, or agency. Each plan is tailored to different needs, whether you're running a small business, managing an online store, or overseeing multiple client sites. The pricing is straightforward and transparent. No hidden fees, no surprises. This means you can budget confidently, knowing exactly what you're getting for your investment. Once you've selected a plan and signed up, you'll be greeted by the 10Web dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage everything related to your website. Whether you're migrating an existing site or starting from scratch, the dashboard makes it easy to access all the tools you need. Today, we'll be focusing on creating a new site using 10Web's AI Builder, a tool that's both powerful and intuitive. To get started, you'll need to name your site and select a data center. The choice of data center is crucial because it determines the speed and performance of your website. By choosing a center close to your target audience, you ensure that your site loads quickly for visitors, improving user experience and boosting your SEO rankings. If you already have a domain, you can connect it at this stage, or you can use a temporary subdomain provided by 10Web until you're ready to go live. In just a few minutes, your new site will be set up and ready for customization. The AI Builder gives you two primary options. You can either clone an existing site or generate a new one tailored to your business needs. If you choose to clone a site, all you need to do is enter the URL of the site you want to replicate. 10Web's AI will then analyze the site and recreate it on the 10Web platform. This cloned site is fully customizable, so you can adjust the content, images, and layout to match your brand. On the other hand, if you're starting from scratch, the AI Builder will guide you through the process of creating a new site. You'll begin by selecting your industry and describing your services. The AI uses this information to generate a site that's tailored to your business, complete with pre-built pages and a design that reflects your brand's identity. The AI Builder's integration with Elementor, one of the most popular WordPress page builders, means that you can easily customize every aspect of your site. Elementor's drag-and-drop interface allows you to edit text, change images, and adjust the layout without needing to write a single line of code. But 10Web isn't just about building websites, it's about managing and optimizing them too. The platform offers a range of hosting services that are optimized for speed and reliability. Powered by Google Cloud, 10Web's hosting ensures that your site performs well, even during traffic spikes. Features like automated backups, server-side caching, and advanced security measures mean that you can trust 10Web to keep your site safe and running smoothly. One of the standout features of 10Web's hosting is its focus on performance optimization. The platform's AI technology continually analyzes your site, identifying areas for improvement and making adjustments to enhance speed, SEO, and user experience. This means that your site isn't just live, it's performing at its best, helping you attract more visitors and convert them into customers. Now let's talk about how 10Web can help you manage your site once it's live. The platform offers a comprehensive set of tools that make it easy to maintain and update your site. From the dashboard, you can manage plugins, update themes, and tweak settings to ensure that your site remains up to date and secure. If you ever run into any issues, 10Web's support team is just a click away, ready to assist you with any questions or challenges you might face. Another powerful feature of 10Web is its ability to integrate with various third-party tools and services. Whether you need to connect your site to a CRM, an email marketing platform, or a social media management tool, 10Web makes it easy. This integration capability means that you can manage all aspects of your online presence from one central location, streamlining your workflows and saving you time. But 10Web doesn't stop there. The platform also offers a suite of AI-driven tools designed to help you get the most out of your site. For example, 10Web's AI Writer can generate content for your site, helping you create blog posts, product descriptions, and other types of content quickly and efficiently. The AI Writer uses advanced natural language processing algorithms to ensure that the content it generates is not only relevant, but also engaging and SEO-friendly. If you're running an e-commerce site, 10Web's AI can help you optimize your product pages for better conversions. By analyzing customer behavior and sales data, the AI can suggest changes to your product descriptions, images, and layout that are designed to boost sales. This kind of data-driven optimization is invaluable for anyone looking to maximize the profitability of their online store. One of the most exciting aspects of 10Web is its ability to grow with your business. As your site evolves, 10Web's AI continues to learn from your data, making increasingly accurate suggestions for improvements. This means that your site doesn't just stay up to date, it actually gets better over time, adapting to changes in your business and the market. In conclusion, 10Web is a game changer for anyone looking to build, clone, or manage a WordPress website. Its AI-driven tools make the process faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Whether you're a business owner, a developer, or someone with no technical background, 10Web has everything you need to create a professional website that stands out from the competition. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more insights and updates on the latest tech trends. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. What AI tools are you excited to try? See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.